Good day, everyone. My name is Miko Albano, and I am here to present linked list. So, what is linked list? A linked list is a data structure used to store a collection of elements, but unlike an array, the elements are not stored side by side. They are stored separately and they are connected using pointers. How a linked list works. Nodes are connected through pointers. The first node is called the head. The last node points to null, and memory is allocated as needed. Components of a linked list: node, data, pointers, and head. So node stores data in pointer, data information inside node, pointer links to the next node, and number for head start of the list. Three types of linked lists: singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list. Each node, so singly linked list, each node has a data pointer to next node, supports one-way traversal, simple and memory efficient. Doubly linked list, each node has data, previous pointer, next pointer, supports two-way traversal, uses more memory. Circular linked list. Last nodes points back to the first, can be singly or doubly singular. No null end forms a loop. Advantage of linked list: dynamic memory allocation, efficient insertion and deletion, no need for contiguous memory. Disadvantage of linked list: requires extra memory for pointers, slower access time than arrays, and traversal is sequential. So this is the conclusion linked list. Linked lists are powerful data structures used for storing and managing data efficiently. They allow flexible memory usage and support dynamic operation. That's all. Thank you.